Welcome back, guys, to Real Intention. We're out here with another one. So today we're out here on the St. Mary's River doing a little solo trip, trying to beat the heat this morning. So I got out here super early, but it seems like every time I get out here early, the tide's high. Every time. It's my least favorite tide to fish on this water, but you know what? You can still catch them. It just makes it a little tougher, and I need to figure out the bite anyway. But anyway, guys, y'all stick with me. Hopefully we can get this done. I got some spiders tied on, got a few beetle spins, so let's see if we can catch some this morning. Y'all stay with me. There he is. There he is. Oh, nice rooster. Oh, nice rooster this morning. That didn't take long. He's been out here 2 minutes. Yes, sir. I'll take it. Nice rooster. There he is. There we go. Old rooster. Pretty rooster. They look good in that black water. Pretty. Pretty rooster. Let's get another one. There we go. Little red breast. Guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been about an hour since I got a bite, so that little dude right there is a welcome bite for sure. Nice little fella. I'm gonna tell you, man, fishing high tide on the St. Mary's River can be tough. You're gonna cast a bunch to catch a little. Very few bites. That water pushes so far up. They get up back in them, way back up in them banks and stuff, and you can't get to where they're at. Oop. God. Dude, I don't know if y'all just seen that. That sucker just come up and smoked it. Didn't get it. Dang it. Well, guys, that's gonna be it. Been at it for a while, at least 3-4 hours, and as you can tell, it's still high tide. So I can't figure that high tide bite out. I caught a few red breasts, caught a few on the bug, missed some good ones, had some come and hit it pretty hard, but just didn't connect. Got a few on the beetle spin, but guys, that's fishing, and that's summer conditions. You know, it's hot, water temperature's hot. You know, water temperature's 84 degrees. So anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll throw this little video together, and as always, guys, We appreciate all the support. Continue to follow, subscribe, like, comment. We appreciate it, guys. Until the next one, I'll see you.